biggest nightmare. So I don't know where I parked my car. I'm lost in the garage, in the parking garage. And as you can see, I'm at the point in the garage where there's not a lot of cars. So I need to find my car. At least I took a picture. So I took a picture of the spot where I left the car, which is great. But dear Jesus, I can't find my car. And it's 100 degrees. So yeah, oh no, I'm in trouble. Okay, you guys, I'll be right back. Let me just actually find my car. After 30 minutes of searching, I found my Pearl. Hey Pearl, you hid from me, girl. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. This is the most complicated parking garage. And from what I was just explained, the levels are divided. Meaning that my parking spot was 3311, right? So not all 33s are on the third level. Actually, 33s are on the second and third level. And on the third level, there's third and fourth level. Comes to show you. Jesus. God, I hope you bless this young man who helped me. It was over 30 minutes, me walking up and down, not understanding how this worked. And I'm sweaty, as you can see. And I saw the cutest pair of eyeglasses. I'm just gonna get my eye exam updated, y'all. You'll see me with new glasses in maybe 2 months. I know, I don't have time. Anyway, see you later. You guys, I know the vlog seems a little bit crazy. I went to brunch this morning and I didn't film any of it. But right now I'm shopping. I'm just a little bit grocery shopping, not regular shopping. Just look at this deal though. Now mind you, the deal is only if you're an Amazon Prime member, which who isn't at this point. But yeah, look, big blueberries for $5. Hell yeah. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Per pound, it used to be $7, now it's $4. Hell yeah, I love cherries though. They're so cute, they're so small. Are those honeydews? What are those? No. Anyways, they're so cute. You guys, does that not look disgusting though? Seriously? Ugh. I'm gonna get sun-dried tomatoes. They're only $9.99 a pound. This is not even a pound, so just see. Now, what you want to do for the muffins is come early. It's like 5 o'clock already, but the best muffins in all the store are these cranberry orange muffins. They're so good. They're made fresh too. But as you can see, a lot of there's not a lot of anything because it's late today. Oh well, I got fresh bread though. You guys, I know it's hot, but I really want to get soup, and I think I'm gonna go for this triple squash soup. It smells wonderful. Not need a lot. Oh, Lord Jesus. Here we go though. It's okay, it's okay. It smells really good. So these are the ingredients to this triple squash soup. It really smells like cinnamon and ginger. Really good. Okay, you guys, so I am successfully leaving the comfort of the air conditioning in the store, and I'm in the heat, 5 degree heat today. So I am crossing the street, did my groceries. I'm sorry I didn't take you out on brunch with me. I kind of forgot to vlog, but I'm ending my day right now. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Come on, it's boring but it's fun. You know you like it. Ciao.